Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Varsha here, wishing you all a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. May this Ganesh Chaturthi be the start of the year that will bring us joy and happiness. Let's see materials that we need. Starting with the drawing of Ganesha, I'm using HB pencil. You can use any pencil, but pencil should not be too dark. Try to make the drawing very lightly so that if you make any mistake, it can be erased or corrected. And after once it is erased, the unwanted lines won't be visible. So that much light you should be making it. My picture presents the idol of Lord Ganesh and a man playing the drum in front of him. Starting with the color, I've used the lightest of all color in the starting, which is lemon yellow, deep yellow, scarlet red, crimson red, black. Mixing using these all colors only, we'll be first making the background of the drawing. Now using the mix of black and little bit of sap green, we'll be giving the shadow beneath the trunk and other parts, and as well as using yellow ochre for the body part. Full painting is combined with the beautiful colors. Colors are lemon yellow, deep yellow which is orange, scarlet red, crimson red, yellow ochre, brown, sap green, dark green, or you can say deep green, black, white. Combining this bright and beautiful colors, our full painting has been done. Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated annually to mark the birth of Lord Ganesha, the god of new beginnings and a fresh start. The festival falls in the month of Bhadra according to the Hindu calendar and in August-September according to the Gregorian calendar. This year, the 10th day celebration will begin on August 22nd. Lord Ganesha is considered to be a symbol of wisdom, writing, travel, commerce, and good fortune. He is also addressed as Gajanan, Ganesh, Gajadant, that are among his 108 names. Ganesh Chaturthi is also known as Vinayak Chaturthi, is a Hindu festival celebrating the arrival of Ganesh to earth from Kailash Parvat with his mother goddess Parvati or Gauri. The festival is marked with the installation of Ganesha's clay idols privately in homes or publicly on elaborate pandals. These are the temporary stages. Observations include chanting of Vedic hymns and Hindu texts such as prayers and vrats, offering and prasads from the daily prayer that are distributed from the pandals to the community. Includes sweets such as modak, as it is believed to be a favorite of Lord Ganesh. The festival ends on the 10th day after start, when the idol is carried in a public procession with music and group chanting, then immersed in a nearby body of water such as river or sea. In Mumbai alone, around 150,000 statues are immersed annually. Therefore, the clay idol dissolves and the Ganesh is believed to return to Mount Kailash, to Parvati and Shiv. The festival celebrates Lord Ganesh as the god of new beginnings and remover of obstacles, as well as god of wisdom and intelligence. Dark color gives depth to your paintings, whereas the light color highlights your painting. So you should use this combination very well. For the finishing touches, what I've done, I have used brown, black, little bit of scarlet red. Mix of all these colors, I'm just highlighting now the Lord Ganesha and as well as the other parts. If you like the video, do subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. You can even follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Do like, share and comment, and please give your feedback. Love to hear from you all. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe, be connected.